Single-serve coffee maker brewer for K-cup pot and ground coffee. Compact design thermal drip instant coffee machine with self-cleaning function. Brew strength controlled by spoolie. Single-serve coffee maker brewer for K-cup pot and ground coffee. Compact design thermal drip instant coffee machine with self-cleaning function. Brew strength controlled by spoolie. Rapid brewed coffee right at your fingertips. This personal single-serve coffee maker will give you that fresh, pure taste that is required to jumpstart your day. Have your cup ready to drink in only 3 minutes. Hot enough to still have hot coffee with cream added. The water adjustment function allows you to control how much coffee you want to brew to save expensive grounds. Durable and compact design, innovatively designed to be compact and durable, yet extremely effective. This coffee maker is much smaller than others. You will be able to fit it in tight places on countertops, office tables, etc. 2-in-1 brewing. Whether you want to brew a coffee pot or make a cup of coffee the traditional way, this innovative machine will allow you to do either. The simple side button feature allows you to conveniently choose between these two brewing styles. Auto cleaning button. When you are done using this one-of-a-kind coffee machine, simply press 2 buttons and let the machine clean itself. Cleaning your machine have never been this easy. Forget to shut off your machine? Don't worry, the machine will automatically turn off after brewing a cup of coffee. Warm tips: be sure to add water into water tank before press the button to start to brew coffee. The coffee maker only can be used under US standard voltage. A voltage transformer is needed when you use it in other countries. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.